Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 2, B is 4, C is 6 and D is 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first after the bracket. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number if your expression contains any number which has the power. So you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is this one. So first of all, we have to solve first bracket, which contains two operations. One is minus and other one is multiplication. But before solving these two operations, we have to see like we have the exponent part in our expression. So first of all, we have to solve this one, 4 raised to power 2, which is equals to 4 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 16, minus 6 multiplied by 2 divided by 8 minus 6, this one. And here we have to give the reference 4 raised to power. Now move forward, step number 2. So now step number 2, we have to solve the division and multiplication. So now we have to see, we have solved the exponent part, but inside the bracket, first of all, we have to solve the division and multiplication. So now we have this multiplication, which is 6 multiplied by 2. So we will write like 16 minus 6 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 12, and divided by this part, 8 minus 6, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 6 multiplied by 2 equals to 12. Now move forward, step number division and multiplication inside the bracket we have solved. Now we have to solve this bracket first. So we have to solve the addition and subtraction because in this bracket we have only subtraction. So now we have 16 minus 12, which is equals to 4, and divided by 8 minus 6, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 16 minus 12 equals to 4. Now we move forward. Step number, we have solved bracket. Now we have another bracket, which is this one. So now we have to solve this one, 4 divided by 8 minus 6, which is equals to 2. And here we have to give the reference 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Now we have two terms, 4 divided by 2. So we will divide these two terms and get the answer is 2. So the answer of the given expression is 2. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.